Hey everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel, your go-to source for mastering digital marketing strategies. Today, we're diving into something every marketer and business owner needs to know: how to budget for digital marketing campaigns like a pro. If you've ever struggled with allocating your marketing budget or wondered where your money is really going, this video is for you. We'll break down all the steps to create a strategic budget, maximize your ROI, and make every dollar count. But before we get started, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly insights. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your network. Now, let's jump right in. How to budget for digital marketing campaigns like a pro, step-by-step guide. To budget for digital marketing campaigns like a pro, you need a strategic, data-driven approach that ensures every dollar spent delivers maximum value. This process isn't just about numbers, it's about aligning financial resources with marketing goals and business outcomes. Here's a detailed step-by-step explanation broken down into structured segments. Number 1. The importance of a pro-level digital marketing budget. Budgeting like a pro begins with understanding why a strategic budget is critical. Digital marketing channels like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and SEO are powerful but can drain resources quickly if not managed properly. A well-thought-out budget prevents overspending, ensures funds are allocated to the most impactful channels, and helps achieve measurable business goals. Pro-level budgeting is proactive, not reactive. It's about planning for success, not just troubleshooting problems. Number 2. Define your marketing goals. Professional budgeting starts with clear objectives. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Increase brand awareness. Generate leads. Boost sales. For example, a lead generation campaign might prioritize PPC ads and landing pages, while a sales-driven campaign might focus on retargeting ads and email marketing. What is your time frame? Short-term campaigns, like holiday promotions, require concentrated spending, while long-term goals, like building an email list, call for sustained investment. Pro tip: ensure goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Number 3. Analyze your business's financial position. A pro approach involves setting a realistic marketing budget based on your revenue and industry standards. Determine your overall marketing budget. Businesses typically spend 7 to 12% of their total revenue on marketing, startups, or businesses. Aiming for rapid growth may allocate up to 20%. Allocate to digital marketing. Around 50% or more of the marketing budget should go to digital channels due to their high ROI and trackability. Understand your cost structure. Identify fixed costs, software, salaries, and variable costs ad spend, influencer fees. Example, if you have $10,000 per month from marketing, allocate $5,000, $7,000 to digital campaigns. Number 4. Break down the budget into categories. Divide your budget into clear, manageable segments for better tracking and optimization. 1. Paid advertising. 40 to 60% includes Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, LinkedIn Ads, etc. Allocate more here if immediate results are critical. To SEO and content marketing. 20 to 30%. Invest in blog creation, keyword optimization, and link building for sustainable traffic. 3. Social media management. 10 to 15%. Costs for posting schedules, community management, and engagement strategies. 4. Email marketing. 5 to 10%. Budget for automation tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. 5. Tools and software. 5 to 10%. Use platforms like SEMrush, HubSpot, or analytics tools for tracking and managing campaigns. Pro tip: adjust these percentages based on your business goals. For instance, a B2B business may spend more on LinkedIn and email marketing, while a retail brand might focus on Instagram and influencer collaborations. Number 5. Research and benchmark costs. Knowing industry benchmarks ensures you don't overspend or underspend. Paid advertising. Cost dash per dash click CPC varies. Google ads might average $1 to $2 per click, while LinkedIn ads could cost $5. Research costs for your industry and audience. SEO and content creation. Blog articles can cost $50, $300 depending on quality, while professional link building campaigns may start at $500 per month. Social media advertising. On average, you might spend 25 cents to dollars per engagement on Facebook or Instagram. Pro tip, use tools like Facebook Ads Manager, Google Keyword Planner, or competitor analysis platforms to gather accurate benchmarks. Number 6, prioritize high ROI channels. Rather than spreading your budget thin, focus on the channels that generate the highest return. 1. Assess past campaigns. Look at historical data to identify which platforms deliver the most leads or sales. To test multiple channels, start small by allocating 10 to 20% of your budget to new platforms and scaling up based on results. 3. Leverage retargeting. Retargeting ads have a lower cost per conversion because they target users already familiar with your brand. Pro tip. For a new campaign, allocate more to PPC and retargeting for quick results, while gradually investing in SEO for long-term gains. Number 7, test and optimize campaigns. Budgeting like a pro involves ongoing experimentation. A/B testing, test different ad creatives, landing pages, or email subject lines to see what resonates with your audience. Monitor metrics closely. Focus on KPIs like cost per acquisition, CPA, click-through rate, CTR, and return on ad spend ROAS. Pro tip. Adjust your budget weekly or monthly based on performance data. For example, if a Facebook campaign shows a higher ROI than Google Ads, shift more funds to Facebook. Number 8. Use budgeting tools and software. Pro marketers leverage technology to streamline budgeting. 1. Spreadsheets, simple tools like Excel or Google Sheets for manual tracking. 2. Budgeting platforms, tools like Adzuma, HubSpot, or Marketo automate campaign tracking and spend allocation. 3. Analytics tools, Google Analytics, Facebook Ads Manager, and Tableau help track ROI and overall campaign performance. Pro tip, choose tools that integrate with your marketing platforms for seamless reporting. Number 9. Plan for contingencies and scale. Professional budgeting includes flexibility, contingency funds. Allocate 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected opportunities like boosting a viral post or participating in last-minute seasonal promotions. Scaling strategies. As campaigns generate positive ROI, reinvest profits into high-performing channels. Pro tip, set aside funds to experiment with new trends like emerging platforms, e.g., TikTok ads or AI-driven tools. Number 10. Monitor and report regularly. Tracking results is key to staying on budget. Daily monitoring, keep an eye on real-time metrics to spot issues quickly. Monthly reviews, assess campaign performance, adjust budgets, and identify areas for improvement. Pro tip, create visual dashboards for a clear overview of your spending and returns. Number 11, recap and next steps. Budgeting like a pro is all about strategic planning, ongoing optimization, and leveraging data. Start with clear goals and realistic financial assessments. Prioritize high ROI channels and continuously test and optimize campaigns. Use tools to simplify tracking and scale based on proven results. In conclusion, by following these steps, you'll not only avoid wasted spending, but also maximize the value of every dollar. Budgeting for digital marketing campaigns like a pro ensures you're set up for measurable success and long-term growth. Would you like to explore any specific tools or examples in more depth? And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Remember, budgeting like a pro isn't just about spending money. It's about investing it wisely to grow your business. Until next time, keep learning, keep testing, and keep achieving. See you in the next video.